What the heck? Check it out. No, that's not a Camaro. That's my 69 Chevelle. All right, let's get out of the garage. Let's get started. Okay, now, here's my car. Check it out. There's my list. Let's get this stuff done. Let's turn the fan on. Let's get to work. First thing we want to do is we want to put this door panel on. Once this door panel's on, then I can start measuring the gap up top. The reason I got to measure the gap up top because it's the last little thing I got to do in order to make these door panels permanently mounted on the car. All right, so check it out. I'm at 1,500 followers. I need to get to 2,000. I also need to get to 4,000 watch hours. So please click like and follow. Please share this with your friends. Help me start monetizing this channel. Help me provide better content to you. All right, get back to the video. With all of this stuff working, the door handle works. The little scallop part is beautiful blue. Even the switches work. The switches aren't in there so I can line this up nicer and so I can see all the things, but I'm gonna tell you what, it is definitely worth it. Now after the door panel's mounted, then I can finally start measuring this gap. I put some tape up there, wrote on it, use my little marker right there after measuring it so I wouldn't forget, because I'm not as smart as I like to think I am, and my memory is not nearly as good. And then I go out and I get some my little sheet of aluminum here. I cut off a little 4-inch wide strip, hammer it down, bend it back the other way so I can make a little angle bracket. And you're like, what is the little angle bracket for? That's kind of silly. Well, let me show you what that thing is for. There they are, all nice and done. And you put them right there on the inside of the door so I can mount the top bracket, which is in later video. Check it out. Tell me what you think. Click like and follow.